Hi, I'm Mark. I'm with Xilica. We're here at ISE in beautiful Barcelona, and today we're showing you the newly announced room kit. This is part of a greater partnership with our good friends at Sennheiser, and it adds their Team Connect ceiling microphone to our audio room solution to form a complete room kit. It's part of two different skews. There is a medium-sized room and a large-sized room. The medium-sized room is comprised of the TCC2 microphone, the DSP for routing and processing, and then the Sonya amp and speakers, which is all network-based and all PoE. So this is a pre-validated room solution that is all coming together under one SKU. In fact, two SKUs. There's a medium-sized kit that is 2 speakers and everything we see here, and then the larger of the 2 kits is actually 4 speakers with the addition of our X-Touch 80 touchscreen. So come and visit us at ISE at booth 2G450 or visit us at www.xilica.com.